Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all this delicious sweet chili fish recipe. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. And today's episode is being sponsored by Allston's Marketing Company Limited with brands such as Frank's Sauces, Bragg, Target Corned Beef, Lucima Pasta, Squeezy, French's, Caribbean Dreams, Naturally Almond, and President Butter. So join me. Let me show you how simple this one is to make, and it's going to be a definite crowd pleaser. To start this recipe, we're going to start by seasoning our fish pieces. Go in with salt, green seasoning, Bragg Liquid Aminos, French's Worcestershire sauce, and citrus seasoning and lemon pepper. Now you want to mix these ingredients to coat the fish really well, and you can marinate this minimum 30 minutes or overnight. Let's make the sauce. So for the sauce, combine 1 packet of Caribbean Dreams instant ginger powder unsweetened with your water, ketchup, oyster sauce, garlic, sesame oil, some more of that liquid amino, and Frank's red hot chili sauce. Give everything a mix. And once mixed properly, we're going to go ahead and set this aside. This is our delicious sauce that's going to coat our fish. Next, to flour, add all-purpose seasoning and give that a mix. We're going to coat our fish pieces in this. We're lightly coating and dusting off and setting aside. We'll fry the fish in batches. So continue coating the rest of pieces and the amount that would fit in your frying pan. And while this is frying, then you'll dredge the next set. So make sure your oil is nice and hot. You want the fish to be nice and crisp on the outside when it fries. Be gentle. Now this fish I'm using is corvina, and what happens is it never maintains that piece when you cut it up small like this. So that's okay if it starts to break apart. It's still perfect. You'll see here how it broke apart. And once it's nice and golden brown and crisp, you can remove it from the oil and drain on paper towels or parchment paper. I'm using my hex-clad wok for frying. And if you guys are interested in this hex-clad wok, I'll leave the link for it down below. This next portion is sponsored by Squeezy and President Butter. We're going to add in a tablespoon of butter along with pimento peppers, sliced bell peppers, onions, tomatoes. Season lightly with salt and allow this to cook for 1 minute. You don't want to overcook your veggies. Just you want that salt that you put in there to melt. Now go in with that delicious sauce that we made and bring this up to a simmer. Your veggies are going to continue to cook in that sauce. Now we'll put in our pieces of fish. And some pieces are missing because my husband and my son ate the fish while I was doing this recipe. So once the sauce starts to thicken, you'll finish with some scallions, or sife as we say in Trinidad, and then this is ready to serve. I love serving this with boiled dasheen. You guys need to try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.